Hi everybody, welcome back to Returning to Basics. Early in the spring, I pulled out a bag of potatoes out of the bottom of the pantry, and I found some sweet potatoes in the back that were actually putting out shoots. So I thought, well, they're probably fibrous, as old as they are. And we had just built this bed, so I decided that, well, let's go ahead and put them in the ground and just see what they do. So, from what I've read, one of the better things to do is to cut the vines back. And this bed was just full all the way down to the peppers with vines. And they say, and we've been eating these, the new little shoots this summer in our salads, and they're wonderful. They're just the new little leaves. So, about 3 days ago, 4 days ago maybe now, we read that it's good to cut the vines back to 2 or 3 feet, and it causes more energy to go into the tubers and make the skins tougher, because they say skins on sweet potatoes are very fragile. So Neil did that, and then we got sick. So we haven't been out here to finish off anything. And so today I decided to do a little bit of work and see what I could do. When we built the bed, in the earlier video, if you go back and look, we had a big pile of leaf mulch at his mother's that we brought over and put, probably a foot deep in here. And then we covered it with compost and topsoil. And so what I'm finding in this, which, it sank really bad, we really should have added more dirt, but I can grab this and pull and stuff is just coming right up out of the ground because this is so loose. They could grow well in it. So far, I'm very stunned at how much we have here, because I only had, let's see, I had 4 about this size that I planted. So I'm just really getting started. I've just pulled and some snapped off, so I'm just really getting started on digging to see what's down in there. This amount right here just came up with the vines as I pulled that, and a few little ones like these. So let's see what all we can find in here. Here's another one. And some of these were sprouting. We have the little ones. All the vines will go in the compost pile. That's attached to something. Oh, there's another one. There's another one.
Let's go check the water. We're filling up the tank. Just right. I put the tip where I wanted it to stop. We used our RV pump over there in the corner that's connected to our, goes through the wall and is connected to our rain catchment barrels outside, totes. We have 4 330-gallon totes out there.
During the summer, it gets so hot in here, there's a lot of water evaporation in that tank. So we have to really keep an eye on it. We kind of got an idea of where we want it to always be. And so it needed to be filled. That's a little bit higher than we normally fill it though. But,
I like to fill it high.
And I also have this draped over it to keep the sun from actually hitting it and warming the water up so much. And it's getting to be the warm time of the day, so a lot of this is wilting back. But this evening, things will just perk right back up. I actually raised some of these in the house. These will all stand back up. This one is new out here. This one is new. This one is new. And there's one back there that's new. These are from a year and a half ago, I believe. And they'll just perk right back up whenever it cools off out here. During the heat of the day, everything wilts down and then it all perks back up. And I'm going to raise some more in the little Miracle Grow micro aquaponics system in the house, and put several more in here. The grow bed is pretty full. I took one of the old ones out of here and put over there. But we'll have Swiss chard all winter. So let's go back and see what else we have in the sweet potato pile.
Wow.
That way. See, they were already starting to put out shoots. And I have no idea what variety these are. I buy organic root crops to eat, onions, potatoes, sweet potatoes. So this was a pretty darn good haul to start out with 4 this size that I found in the back of the pantry, sprouting, that I had forgotten about. So our little experiment turned out really nice. Thanks for going along with us. If you like our channel, please hit the like button. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified when we upload a new one. Hit the subscribe button. That would really help us. So thanks a lot for coming along. God bless and have a great day, and plant a fall garden.